This is Josh, and I am presenting my CS50W Network project that I'm calling Slander. So here on the home page, we can see that we have a login register and then a list of all the posts. And you can see them, but if I click on anything, like for example a username, it just takes me to the login page. So let's make an account. fancypants.com. And when we register, we're shown a little brief pop-up that tells you what the site's all about, and we've got some options to either edit our profile or just get started. So let's just get started here. And now you can see we have the option to add posts or go to any number of pages here on the left side. Plus we've got a little profile preview here down here. So if we wanted to add a post, we can do that. You can see it comes in reverse chronological order, and down here after 10 pages we get a pagination link, so we can go to the next page. We get the next 10 again in reverse chronological order. And also if we wanted to like a post, we can like it, and JavaScript will dynamically update that on the screen. And we can also edit a post, so and that is dynamically generated. You can see it stays when we refresh the page. Also, when we registered, we were greeted by the Slander Autobot, who gives us a really nice, friendly message. And we can also comment on posts, so if I want to do that, I can do that. JavaScript automatically generates one of those, and then I have options. I can show my emotions on this post, tell people how I'm feeling. And now if I wanted to, say, see someone else's profile, I can just click on their profile and it'll show me all of the posts for that person, as well as their following and followers. So why don't we follow the Autobot? You can see it dynamically generated a new following and a follower here. And then if I go to my profile, you can see I only have one post, the one we just made, and I'm following one person. That's Autobot. If I go to my followers, well, nobody likes me yet. So let's edit our profile so it's a little bit more interesting. There we go. That's a lot better. Definitely make some friends here. Okay, if we wanted to too, let's say we made something that we regretted, like this, we have the option to delete the post. It's that easy. And then we can also go to our follower page and see the posts for everyone that we're following. So we're just following the one guy, Autobot, but this is all of his posts here. And a bonus feature is the mention. So you can see we got a red dot here. That means somebody mentioned us. And yes, the Slander Autobot mentioned us right here. And so it was automatically added to our mentions. Now if we leave this page, that red dot goes away because we've seen them all. Okay, thanks guys.